Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the unexpected visitor quest in Heartopia, especially for beginners. First, just make sure the quest is active. Just tap on watch icon and go to memo and just select the unexpected visitor like this. And then after that, just tap on track quest and your quest is active like this. And then next, just go and meet the NPC named Vana like this. Just talk to her and she will ask you to create a repair kit, and the materials that you need are branches and they are already prepared by Vanya. Just go to crafting table, so just go to the crafting table like this. Just go to the crafting table and then just tap on craft icon and then select repair kit like this, and then just tap on craft like this, and after that just give the repair kit to Vanya like this. And then just tap on the repair kit just like it, and then just submit. And just like that, the unexpected visitor quest is complete. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.